Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss how to enable strip view in Tally application on printing as well as report to display pages. What is this strip view? I'll show you with a simple example. Let's say I have a sales invoice. If I give a printout to a customer, finding label name and amount. So this is the label, this is the amount. Finding those information can be difficult. So if I add a line connecting a label and the amount, it can become very easy to understand the report. Not only on these invoices, let's say I click on the button, go to and tap for sales register. Even on the sales register also, I wanted to see these straight lines so that I can easily figure out for which party what is the balance amount. During even bank reconciliation also, it will help you a lot to understand what is the transaction, what is the amount, if there is a line connecting the label and the amount, right? So to enable strip options, go to help and go to the button settings and go to here display, and here in the bottom you will see an option called as strip. So enable strip view for reports, enter, and strip view for vouchers, enter, and control J. First I'll show you for reports. I click on the button, go to, and once again I'm going to open sales register. Now you can see there is a new lines has been added so that you can easily understand which data belongs to which particular part. You also can call them as a banded rows. We used to see this kind of reports in Excel. So if there is a line connecting the label and the amount, it can become easy to identify the values. And this also can applicable even for printing also. Now this is a sales voucher. You can see even on voucher also these lines are coming. You also can see these even on print screen also. Now on the print screen it is not coming. So just go to the option configure and search for strip. In the search button, I am typing strips and make sure to enable this. Once if you enable strip view, even on the printing also, you will see the lines which are connecting the label and the amounts. So even your customer also can easily find out which label and what is the respective amount, right? Thank you.